Bye.
Hey guys, it's the Sissy Show, and today we're picked some of our favorites. They're not our total favorites, just because we can't really pick our favorites of my Squishies. So this is Callie's favorites of my Squishies and some of our favorites. We're each gonna do 5, so it's 10. So yeah, say let's get started.
Let's get started.
Woo! Woo! All right, so Callie picked one out.
Yeah.
So Callie picked. No, show off.
Bouncy.
Squish it. Go like this. Yeah, it's really slow rising. So yeah.
Want to paint it?
Oh, no, we're not painting it. There you go. So that's one of Callie's favorites. Okay, so for one of my favorites, I picked this Akiru and Friends squishy. And there's the licensing. Is this reproduced or the real one? I'm not sure, because the other ones are like you or something. But yeah, I picked this one. Pick one. Pick one out. So Callie, what one is that one? Alright, Callie picked out her donut, and I'm going to show my donut too. So I have the eye bloom donut, and she has that donut. She just picked that one. Show the camera. Yeah. It's not slow rising, but that's okay, right? Because some Squishies
It has a bit bed.
Yeah, somebody did it, but not in real life, just foam. Okay, so I picked the eye blue. And this one smells like lemons. Okay, so what one's that? What one's that one?
Tofu.
Yeah, it's tofu. It's really squishy. Show the camera how squishy it is. Squishy? Yeah, really squishy. Alright, so for one of mine, I don't know if these count, but they're the same brand, so I just counted them as one. The bread dolls, the bread doll family. They're brothers. I do. Alright, your turn. Okay, Callie picks the eye bloom snowy. Show the camera. Show the other side. We're gonna be gentle. Be very gentle. Smells like strawberries. Doesn't it smell so good? Alright. No wonder to dissect it a lot. It's already kind of dissected, so. And then when I say your next squishy, you're gonna do this one, but not yet, okay? Okay, so I'll show you actually this one last. So I picked this jumbo blush one because I love jumbo blush buns or jumbo buns, because look at how slow rising these are. They're pretty slow rising for buns. Alright, your turn. Okay, you're so close. Okay, so Callie picked the Fat Cat cracker.
I can't.
Be careful. Now squish it to the camera.
So fucked up.
Okay, Callie, you're gonna defect it. Look at how defected it is already. Pretty. Callie, you did a lot of defects. That's not all from Callie, though. Alright, you can squish this one while we're waiting. Okay, and for mine, I picked this Hello Kitty donut, and you don't know how much I love this squishy. I'm so thankful for this squishy. This is legit one of my favorites. So, there's the tag. Woo! Here is how squishy it is.
Is it this or the? Perfect.
And my little YouTuber. Look at how slow resin this squishy is. And no, this doesn't have a scent.
Yeah.
It doesn't really smell like anything, but
Squishy. Squishy.
it's pretty squishy. You can even squish the licensing.
Nothing.
And I love to squish your bones.
I can't.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.